ready to go. It does the job. What we're going to do is we're going to make a back scratcher. Take this leftover piece of wood, this ugly piece of wood. So let's get started. First we're going to run this through the joiner. Be right back. Okay, now I'm going to use my hand as a pattern. What we're going to do is we're going to make some big hand here. You know what they say, a guy with the big hands, you scratch your ass a little bit better. So, here we go. Take this over to the bandsaw. This is the trickier part. Be very careful when you do this. Gosh, I must have ugly hands. Just going to sand this as best we can. Let the glue set for about 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes. There it is, all finished. If you want to paint it, you can paint it. Otherwise, it's just ready to go. It does the job. Don't forget to subscribe and like and make any comments. Thank you.